Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. Although I am Aaditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and today we will learn understanding multiplication. We have also learned on last day subtraction with regrouping, without regrouping subtraction, and many types of subtraction and addition fact we have learned. But in today's topic, we have to learn understanding multiplication. In this chapter, you have to learn some understanding fact, and there are many questions in your mind that what is multiplication, how can we solve multiplication, and what is multiplication and how we will define it. Your all question I will be solved, and I will give you a moral of this multiplication, understanding multiplication, so you can solve your own question yourself. Let's see some examples. You can see here that there are many examples. That first is how many groups, how many in each group, how many in all. Okay, so you can see here that there are birds. You can see here that there are many birds, and in birds there are two groups. In each group there are two birds, and how many number of groups? There are two groups, and in each group there are two birds. So we can say that how many equal groups are there? There are two equal groups of two birds. Okay, because there are two equal groups. Equal groups means there are same number of birds in each group. Okay, so two equal groups are two birds. There are two equal birds, equal groups that has the same number of birds, and a number of birds in each group is two. So two equal group of twos. So how many in all? There are four birds in all, because we can see that there are two birds in one group and there are two birds in both group, in second group. So you have four birds in all, because we can add them. In one first group there are two birds, so two, and in other group there are two birds also, so 2 plus 2 there will be 4. That is our addition fact, and we call it addition fact. Okay, and what will be the multiplication fact? The multiplication fact of will be 2 multiply 2 equal 4. Why? Because 2, what is 2? In multiplication fact, what is 2? 2 is number of groups. Okay, and in other 2, that is number of birds in each group. So multiplication fact will be 2 multiply 2 equal 4. And in second, there are many butterflies, you can see here. And how many butterflies you have to find with multiplication and addition repeated fact? You can see here that 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. There how many groups are there? There are 4 groups. Okay, how many groups are there? There are 4 equal groups. 4 equal groups means there are 4 equal groups, and in each group there are 3 butterflies. Okay, there are 4 equal groups. Equal groups means there are same number of butterflies in each group. So we can say that there are 4 equal groups of how many butterflies in each group? There are 3 butterflies in each group. So we can say that 4 equal groups of 3 butterflies. Okay, and how many in all? There are in all, there will be 3 3 3 3. That will be 12. And when we write addition fact, what is 12 and why 12? When we write addition fact, we can write it 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, that means 3 will be 4 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. there will be addition fact 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal 12. What will be? 12. And multiplication fact will be, what will be the multiplication fact? Multiplication fact will be 4 multiply 3. Because what is 4? 4 is the number of groups, and what is 3? 3 is the number of butterflies in each group. So 4 multiply 3 will be 12. Okay, in third you can see here that there are many bees. Do you know bees? Bees bite us, and bees means madhumakki. Okay, you can see here that many bees are here, and how many bees there are, you have to find it. And how many groups, you can tell me? There are 1, 2, 3. There are how many equal groups? There are 3 equal groups. And how many butterflies, how many bees in each group? There are 4 bees in each group. So we can say that 3 equal groups of 4 bees, because there are 3 equal groups. 3 equal groups means that there are same number of bees in each group. And how many bees in each group? There are 4 bees in each group. So 3 equal groups of 4 bees. And how many in all? There in all there will be 12. And what is 12? Why 12? And how 12? When we write addition fact, we can write it 4 plus 4 plus 4. Why we can write 4 plus 4 plus 4? Because there are 4 in first group, 4 in second group, 4 in third group. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 will be 12. And multiplication fact will be 3 multiply 4. Why? What is 3 and 4? Because there are 3 equal groups. And what is 4? 4 is the number of bees in each group. Okay? In fourth, and multiplication fact will be 3 multiply 4 equal 12. In fourth, you can see here that many rats are here, and there are many rats, and there are 2 groups, 2 groups of rats. Okay, how many groups are there? There are 2 equal groups. Because how many equal groups are there? There are 2 equal groups. Because equal groups means that there are same number of rats in each group. And how many group are there? There are 2 groups. So we can say that 2 equal groups of 5 rats, because there are 5 rats in each group, and there are 2 groups, so 10 will be in all. 10 rats will be in all. And when we write addition fact, we can write 5 plus 5. Okay, and if 5 plus 5 equal 12. And multiplication fact, when we write multiplication fact will be 2 multiply 5 equal 12. Why 2 multiply 5 equal 12? Because 2 is the number of groups, that is 2, and 5 is the number of rats in each group. So 2 multiply 5 equal 10. So 10 in all. There are 10 rats in all. Let's repeat one time. In first, there will be 2 equal groups of 2 birds, because there are 2 equal groups that have the same number of 2, and in each group there are 2 birds. So 2 equal groups of 2 birds and 4 birds in all, because 2 multiply 2 equal 4 in all. Addition fact will be 2 plus 2 equal 4, and multiplication fact will be 2 multiply 2 equal 4. And after that there is second. In second, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 equal groups. There are 4 equal groups of, and how many butterflies in each group? There are 3 butterflies in each group. So we can say that 4 equal groups. 4 equal groups means that there is the same number of butterflies in each group. So 4 equal groups of 3 butterflies. And how many total in all? There will be 12 in all, because 4 multiply 3 equal 12. What is the 4? 4 is the number of groups, and what is 3? 3 is the number of bees, number of butterflies in each group. Okay, addition fact will be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal 12. That means 4 times 3 equal 12. and multiplication fact will be 4 multiply 3 equal 12. What is 4? 4 is the number of groups, and 3 is the butterflies in each group. Okay, multiplication fact will be 4 multiply 3 equal 12. In third, you can see here that how many equal groups are there? There are 3 equal groups. 3 equal groups mean there are same number of bees in each group, so they are equal groups. And how many bees in each group? There are 4 bees in each group. So how many there in all? There will be 3 multiply 4 equal 12. What is 3? 3 is the number of group, and what is 4? 4 is the number of bees in each group. Addition fact will be 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal 12. That means 3 times 4 equal 12. And multiplication fact will be 3 multiply 4 equal 12. Why? Because 3 is the number of groups and 4 is the number of butterflies, number of bees in each group. Okay, 3 multiply 4 equal 12. In 4 there are 2 groups, 2 equal groups. Equal groups means that there are same number of rats in each group, so 2 equal groups. And how many rats in each group? There are 5 rats in each group, so 2 multiply 5 equal 10. Okay, so 10 rats in all. What is 2 multiply 5? 2 is the number of groups and 5 is the number of rats in each group. Addition fact will be 5 plus 5 equal 10, and multiplication fact will be 2 multiply 5 equal 10, because 2 is the number of group and 5 is the number of rats in each group. And a repeated addition is called multiplication. This is repeated addition is called multiplication, and the sign for multiplication is cross, that is similar to x. Okay, now come on, multiplying by 2. In this topic we have learned multiplying by 2. You can see here that there are some groups 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 groups and there are 2 leaves in each group. So we can write repeated addition fact 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That means 6 times repeated addition fact will be 2. 6 times 2 equal 12. So you can see here that 6 group of 2 each makes 12. That number of groups is 6 and there are 2 leaves in each group. So 6 group of 2 each makes 12. Okay, and 2 is added 6 times. You can see here that in repeated addition 2 is added 6 times. 2 is added 6 times to make 12. 2 is added 6 times to make 12. Okay, so 6 times 2 is 12. So we can say that 6 times 2 is 12, and the multiplication fact is 6 multiply 2 equal 12. We can write it 6 multiply 2 equal 12 horizontally and in column. You can see here that 6 multiply 2 equal 12. In this, 6 is the number of groups. That how many number of groups? There are 6 groups. And what is 2? 2 is the number of leaves in each group. There are 2 leaves in each group. So 2 is the number of leaves in each group. And cross is the sign of multiplication. Okay. And what is 12? 12 is the number of total leaves. Okay. Quick tip. 6 multiply 2 equal 12 is read as 6 multiply 2 equal 12 is also read as 6 times 2 is 12, or 6 2s are 12, or 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, or 6 into 2 is 12. Okay. Now come on next topic. I can do it. In this topic there are some questions. You can see here that 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 groups. In each group there are 2 balloons. Okay. So there are how many number of balloons in all? There are 10 balloons in all, because 5 multiply 2 equal 10. And what is 5? 5 is the number of groups. And what is 2? 2 is the number of balloons in each group. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal 10 balloons. Okay. And 5 groups of 2 balloons each make 10 balloons in all. 5 groups of 2. That means there are 5 groups and in each group there are 2 balloons. So 5 group of 2 balloons each makes 10 balloons in all, and multiplication fact will be 5 multiply 2, because 5 is the number of group and 2 is the number of balloons in each group. Okay. Now second, you can see here that there are leaves and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 groups. And there are 7 groups, and in each group there are 2 leaves. So total number of leaves will be 12. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal 14 leaves. Okay. And how many groups of 2 leaves? There are 7 groups. Number of groups is 7. 7 groups of 2 leaves each makes 14 leaves in all. Because there are 14 leaves in total. So 7 groups of 2 leaves. Groups of 7, number of groups is 7 and the number of leaves in each group is 2. So 7 groups of 2 leaves each makes 14 leaves in all. Okay. And multiplication fact will be 7 multiplied 2 equal 14, because 7 is the number of groups and 2 is the number of leaves in each group. Okay. In third, you can see here that 8 pair of shoes. In each pair there are 2 shoes and number of pair is 8. So number of total shoes will be 2 plus 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 2. That means 2 is added 8 times. That will be 16 shoes. Okay. And following 8 pair of shoes make 16 shoes in all. Because 8 pairs means in one pair there are 2 shoes. So 8 pair of shoes make 16 shoes in all. Because in one pair there are 2 shoes and in 8 pair there will be 16 shoes in all. Okay. And multiplication fact will be 8 multiplied 2 equals 16. Because number of pair is 8 and 2 is the number of shoes in each pair. So 8 multiplied 2 equal 16. Okay, let's revise one time. In first, there will be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal, that is 2 is added 5 times to make 10 balloons. Okay, 5 groups of 2 balloons each makes 10 balloons in all. And multiplication fact will be 5 multiplied 2 equal 12. 5 is the number of groups and 2 is the number of balloons in each group. Okay. In second, you can see here that there are 7 groups and 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That means 2 is added 7 times to make 14 leaves. There will be 14 leaves. And 7 group is there and 7 group of 2 leaves each makes 14 leaves in all. Okay. And multiplication fact will be 7 multiplied 2 equal 14. That means 7 is the number of group and 2 is the number of leaves in each group. In third, there are 8 pair of shoes. So there will be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That means 2 is added 8 times to make 16 shoes. And 8 pairs of shoes make 16 shoes in all. There are 8 pairs and multiplication fact will be 8 multiplied 2. 8 is the number of pair and 2 is the number of shoes in one pair. Okay. So you have to write I can do it in your CW copy and HW copy, and after that HW copy. Thank you.